Okay, so this is the floating palace. That's and we can see this from this boat marina. And in a little bit, we're going to be going by it real quick. So that's just kind of context of how far it is from the Macau land. And this boat that I'm going to be able to get on and have a little bit of barbecue as well. And that's where we're going to be going by in a minute. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe. And hit the like button. Okay, so let's zoom in on here a little bit, and we can see the little details. This is the replica of the James Bond, and you can see the name right there, Macau Palace. So there's a replica also at, this is from the James Bond movie, and this was a copy anyways from that. And then there's another one called Macau Palace as well, casino, and it's in the, another replica that's on the Cotai Strip. And sometimes I film over there as well, so I'll probably put these two together, somewhat separate video, just so you can see it again. But on this particular day, I happened to go by it, and probably one of my closest chances to get to it was this one with a zoom camera. So I'm still a little bit far away, but not too bad. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this one, and you kind of get some context between Macau and Zhuhai, China. It's right in the middle there. This has access only to the Zhuhai, China side, though. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Chiquinha, chiquinha.